Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open YouTube Studio desktop on your iPhone. So if you want to access the desktop version of YouTube Studio on your device, what you can do is you can simply open your Google, Safari or Chrome. So firstly, as I'm going to use this Google, and over here in the top there's this address bar. What you need to do is you need to type down studio.youtube.com and select search. So over here, what you need to do is you need to select this continue to studio in the bottom. And if prompted, you can also sign in with Google account that is connected to your YouTube channel, and it will automatically sign into your account if you already have signed in. And the page will reload and display the desktop version of the YouTube Studio. Over here now you can manage your channel, edit video details, view advanced analytics, respond to comments or check monetization setting. And that is it. That is how you can open your YouTube Studio desktop on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.